guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ray. Please check it out, guys. Thank you for joining me. Check it out, guys. I have another product for you right here. I just picked up. This is a jump starter. This is pretty much the new technology that's replacing your jumper cables. All right. I've been wanting something like this for a very long time. And what I like about this particular model, this is a 18,000 milliamp battery, meaning it's rated for, which they say is rated for diesel engines to a 7.1 engine. All right, which is ideal. It's right down in my lane what I need it for. So I made that purchase, and I pretty much jumped on it when Amazon was offering as a flash sale. So I got this thing for about, I think it was $55. All right, which is in my book is a steal. All right, for the capacity of this, and also it helps you on your cell phones, on your tablets, whatever it may be. Again, it's a portable battery, and it's a peace of mind. So holidays are coming up. If you're looking for some type of present for that loved one, think about getting something like this, especially if they're driving alone late at night or what have you, and you want to give them a peace of mind. If their battery ever dies, they can jump it on their own, all right, without worrying about a AAA coming several hours later, or late at night getting a stranger to come, especially if you're a single person, single woman by herself or what have you. So you get my meaning, what I'm trying to say. What we're gonna do, guys, we're just gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you how it looks. This information is pretty much just informational. Let you guys get a closer look at it, because sometimes you look at the pictures. It's better when you have some video to go with that. So you guys out there browsing for some type of device such as this is the channel to come to. I'm gonna show you what it's all about, how it works, and pretty much my opinion of the whole thing, and that's it. All right, so I'm gonna stop gabbing because I talk too much and just get into the video. And you guys, if you end up picking up this, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put an affiliate link in the below. If you click that link, it'll take you to this product or product similar to this, and consider using that affiliate link, because it does support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Okay, guys. Again, we have the TACKLIFE Jump Starter. And now, again, guys, as I said in my opening, this is an 18,000 milliamp jump starter. And again, what turned me on is just for that power that it puts out. Now, as I said before, pick up something like this. All right, I think it'll be ideal. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna open it up. We're gonna open it up and take a look at it. And first thing I can tell you right now, I like how this looks. All right, it comes in its own case, so it's easy to pack away, put it in the trunk, underneath the seat of your car. It doesn't look all nasty. Now, you know, when you got the jumper cables, you got the long jumper cables, you gotta roll it up. If it don't come in with a bag, then you gotta freaking throw it in your trunk and put it, and it's all over the place. At least that's my experience with jumper cables. All right, they're not really storage friendly. All right, at least in my opinion. And so let's open this up, take a look at it. I definitely like how the case looks. This is the TACKLIFE again, and look how it comes, guys. This is nice. For something nice and compact and powerful, look how clean that is. All right, that's ideal. All right, and in this compartment here, let's take a look at it. We have like jumper cables, per se, you know, that plugs into it. Yeah, let me get this all out. Okay. Put this out. You got this a cigarette light attachment. You have a USB with a mini plug. You have your charging port, and you got your cigarette lighter. All right, so they give you a lot of accessories for this. And here is your power pack. Come nice and wrapped. Take it out of here. And here it goes, guys. Very nice. Very nice. As a compass, I guess for your outdoors, you need a compass. It comes with it. Also, it has a flashlight right here. Yeah, and right here, as you can see, you have your LCD All right, have all your I/O, but if you need to charge up any other portals, devices, I should say. It gives you a percentage on how much battery you have, which is 83%. And here's for your engine start. All right, so this is where you'll hook up for your battery. So you just take this part here, and see this little connection? You just plug that right in here. And it only goes one way, so you can't mess it up. And there you go. All right, and you have your negative and positive for your jumping. So I definitely like this setup. Very compact, very powerful. All right, and what I like about this, that this thing is a mini computer in this thing. All right, so the power that you're putting out is very efficient. All right, what else I have here I can tell you about it. And what I like about this also, if you keep it in your car and you need to charge it, it'll charge off the cigarette lighter. All right, so if you're running low, you're driving along, if you just want to give it a quick charge, you have a cigarette lighter, you can plug this in and it'll charge off the cigarette light. So you don't have to take it in the car, but they do, in the house. But if you do take it in the house or the garage, they give you a outlet to also charge it. So you have two avenues on getting this charged to this full to 100%, which I like. That's the ideal. And being that this is so small, it's best to just keep this underneath your seat, your front seat, so it's easy to grab. All right, and again, if you need to charge it, throw the cigarette lighter, plug it in, and it's charged. And you can do a quick look at the LCD and see what's the power level. It's rated to stay full charge for a year, which is ideal. But for some reason you end up using it for other accessories. They give that options. That's what I like. Number two, it took me a while. For the light, you just hit the switch right here. All right, and you hit it once or hold it, and the light will come on, as you can see. Now, if you hit it real quickly, you have flashing lights. So that's for if you're in a dark place and you need a signal for help, that happens. Also, if you hit it again, they give you the SOS readout. So even for boats, if you're on a boat, guys, you're looking for some type of power pack, this is also ideal. All right, so again, you got your RVers out there, you got your just college kids, you're on a boat, whatever. All right, this is ideal. It really is. I really like the design of it, the compactness of it. All right, and everything comes again in this small case. Again, they give you chargers if you want to charge your phone. They give you all the accessories. And that's it, guys. This is it's also a 12 volt or 10 amp output ports, which is ideal. USB ports for your phones, battery charger. It's all in one. This definitely is. If you're going camping, this is a perfect gift for anyone. Thank you for joining me. Please consider like, subscribe, and I'll check you out in the next one.